All right, welcome back. So we've set up our account and installed Creative Cloud. Now let's go to Creative Cloud. So hit the start menu here, type in Creative Cloud right here. And what I want you to do is right click and pin this to the taskbar just for the moment. And what I want you to do is click on Install on Photoshop. So while that's installing, I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back when it's finished. All right, so that's finished. So what I want you to do is just click on Open, and that's going to load up Photoshop. And then what we're going to do is unpin Creative Cloud from our taskbar. Actually, let's leave it there, just in case we need it. But I do want to pin Photoshop. So let's right click and pin Photoshop to the taskbar. And I'm going to move Creative Cloud to the right and keep Photoshop as the main tab here. So what you're going to see if I do File New, really, I got a program error. I've never seen that before. All right, let me close this out for a second. I'm going to reopen Photoshop. There we go. I'm going to be honest with you. I've used this a long time. I've never seen that happen before. So it's decided to be a little buggy today. But here is the Photoshop splash page. So when you load the program up, you're going to see the little image pop up first. It'll load everything up, and then you'll get the splash page here. So in the next video, I'm going to go over the File menu. So I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.